Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, لكن الراسخون في العلم منهم والمؤمنون يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك والمقيمين الصلاة والمؤتون الزكاة والمؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر أولئك سنؤتيهم أجرا عظيما. Translation: But those of them having sound knowledge and the believers believing in what is revealed to you and what was revealed before you, and those who regularly pray salah and pay zakah, and those who believe in Allah and the last day, to them we shall give a great reward. In the previous two ayahs, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told about the Jews who were doing wrong things, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made for them unlawful or haram some of the things that were halal before, and also they used to take interest which was forbidden, and they were consuming the wealth of other people unjustly, and for that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala prepared a painful punishment for such disbelievers. In today's ayah, as we have seen the simultaneous contrast of Quran, that one group is explained and the opposite group is then explained. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about the believers, those believers who were Jews before, but when they had the guidance come in front of them in the form of the Quran and in the form of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they open-heartedly accepted the guidance. And it means that all the people of the book are not same. There are people who are sound in their knowledge, and they have the knowledge that gives benefit to them, and they had the knowledge of Torah before, and they knew that the last prophet is coming with the last book, and they acknowledged and they identified Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they accepted the invitation of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Not only they believed on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they believed in all the prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Also, they establish salah, and they have a firm belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and hereafter in the day of judgment. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have promised a great reward for these people. However, these characters were few, but they were present in the Jews at the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's arrival, and people like Hazrat Abdullah bin Salam and his companions radiyallahu anhum, they were among those who accepted the invitation from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And since Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prepared a painful punishment for those who disbelieve, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also have prepared a great reward for those who accepted the invitation. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala include us among those who will get a great reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and who Allah make us among the believers. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.